Assalamu alaikum. That's an excellent question. Scholars actually had differences of opinions on whether the person that had missed salah for, let's say, 5 years or many years, and they had made tawbah, they had differences of opinions on whether they would make them up, that is, make all the salawat up, or whether just by repenting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that would simply make them start a new fresh start. Why did they have differences of opinions? Well, التوبة تجب ما قبلها. Tawbah erases everything that is in the past. And number two is that salah itself, إن الصلاة كانت على المؤمنين كتابا موقوتا. Salah actually has a certain timing. So if that timing had passed, then the timing, and they purposely left it, then the timing had already passed. To make it up would, according to those scholars, would not make it as something that replaces the actual timing. So therefore, to make it up when you didn't forget about it, but you deliberately had left it, would, according to those scholars, would not make it up. So therefore, your only option is to do tawbah. The opinion is actually supported by the hadith where the Prophet ﷺ said, من نام عن صلاة أو نسيها فليصليها إذا ذكرها. Whoever oversleeps a prayer or forgets about it, then they should pray it as soon as they remember it. So they said this hadith is making it exclusive for those that need to make up, whoever forgets about it or oversleeps a prayer. But it doesn't point out someone that deliberately leaves prayer for a number of different years or whatever. So this is actually supporting that opinion. There the other scholars that did consider that they can make it up and they should make it up. They considered that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did obligate you to do certain obligations, you leaving it behind. So they said, well, in general, the Prophet ﷺ said, Dainullahi ahaqqu an tuqda. The debt that you owe to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is as very important or deserving to be paid off. So they considered whether that was Hajj or whether that was Salah, etc. So that would be something that you would have to be making it up, regardless of whether it's a prayer or a different obligation. In the end, they regarded that you would have to make it up. If you're still alive, you're capable of doing it, then do it. Assalamu alaikum. Preponderant, wallahu a'lam, is that you don't have to make it up and tawbah should suffice. Assalamu alaikum.